Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking butter chicken, coriander roti, and rice. I have the all-purpose flour in here. To that I will add chickpea flour. Now I'll add the salt, baking powder. Now I'll give that a mix. Now I'll add oil, red chili peppers, onion, and coriander or cilantro. And water. And I'm gonna add a little at a time. This is finished mixing. We're going to cover it and leave it for 1 hour. For the butter chicken, I'm using chicken thighs, and I remove the bones and the skins and all the fat. And the reason I'm using this because it's more juicy, it's not dry. I have salt, black pepper, and chicken seasoning, lemon juice, turmeric or dye, ginger, onion and garlic, yogurt, and oil. And we'll cover this and leave it in the fridge. I've soaked the basmati rice for 1 hour. Now we'll leave the rice to boil. I'll blend the cashew nuts, and I soak the cashew nut overnight. I'll add the water to the cashew nut. And we'll blend this until it's smooth. And that is what you're looking for. Now we'll check the rice, and it's perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to drain the rice. I'm gonna air fry the chicken. And I have to do 2 batches. The first set of chicken is finished. Now we're going to start to make the butter chicken. The first thing I'm going to do is to add the butter. Now that the butter is melted, we will add cinnamon stick, clove, and cardamom. Now we'll add onion, garlic, and ginger. Now we'll add the garam masala and turmeric. Salt, sugar, and chili powder, and butter chicken masala. Now I'll add the tomato puree. Now I'll add the puree cashew nuts. And we'll let this simmer for 5 minutes. The chicken cooled down. Now I'm going to cut the chicken. Now this finish. Now we'll add the chicken. And we'll add boiling water. We're gonna cover and cook for 10 minutes. It's an hour now. We're going to start to make the roti. And that's a perfect size. And with this roti, you don't need any curry or anything to eat it. You can eat it just like that. The griddle is hot. I'm going to rub oil. This one is finished. And this roti is finished. This one is finished. This roti is finished. And because this roti is made with chickpea flour, you have to put a lot of flour when you're rolling it, otherwise it will stick. That's finished. We're finished cooking the roti. Now I'll add the cream. And for the cream not to turn, I'm going to add it to some of the gravy. Mix it. And the butter chicken is finished. Now I'll add some cilantro or coriander. And the last thing I will add is some chili peppers. Here's my butter chicken, cilantro or coriander roti, and rice. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.